Hey guys, this is Namrata and today I'm gonna teach you how to make simplest flowers by using watercolors. You will require a cartridge sheet, watercolors, water and brush. First, wet your brush nicely, dip that brush in the red color and start making the shape of the flower as shown. The stroke of the petal will begin from outside and it will end at the center of the flowers. You can make 4 or 5 petals in each flower. If you are making a smaller flower, you can add 3 strokes as well. In this way, you can make as many flowers you want. I am making a flower bouquet over here. Then I'm gonna take green paint and I will be adding some dots below the flowers to show the stem of the flower. Then by using the tip of the brush, I'm gonna make vertical lines for the stems. I'm also gonna add some leaves in between, some bigger leaves and some smaller leaves. Now with red color, I'm going to make some dots to show the buds of the flower. I'm going to tie all these flowers with a bow. And yeah, the artwork is ready. Thank you for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video and have a great day. Thank you.